So with only 9,000 subscribers, I've been able to make more money with this YouTube channel than any other channel I've seen that has under 10K subscribers, and more than a lot with 50K or even 100,000 subscribers. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I did it and how I think you can do it too. First off, I want to say it. This is a video that I've always wanted to make. I remember watching Bia Heza show how he made 600K and Graham Stephan showing how he made $1.5 million just on YouTube AdSense. And those videos got me so inspired to want to make videos with the potential that maybe one day I can make a fraction of that amount. So that's what this video is. I finally made a fraction of that amount, and I'm going to show you exactly how much I've made and hopefully inspire someone out there that's been procrastinating about making videos that you can still start today and before you know it, be making a pretty decent income.
You guys are going to be rich, guaranteed. Guaranteed.
All right, so we're going to jump straight into my analytics from October 2021. This is the first month that I started making money on YouTube right after my how to start a mobile detailing business video blew up. So if you don't know, to get paid on YouTube in 2022, you need 4,000 watch time hours and 1,000 subscribers. So I reached that when this video had about 100,000 views. So I didn't get paid for the first 100,000 views, and then everything after that, I started making money. So looking right here, it's like October 26th was the first day that I made money. And I made $15. Then I was making $21, $17, $16. And it was just kind of like that for the next 3 weeks or so. And then after that video started dying out, I was making $7, $4, as low as like $2 a day. And that was all of 2021 pretty much. Is started off pretty good when that video blew up, and then that video kind of started dying out and I wasn't getting paid that much money. So from the time that I started getting paid in late October to the end of 2021, I made $585.64. So now that brings us to 2022. So the beginning of 2022 was pretty much still super slow, just like the end of 2021. I was making $3, $4, $3 here. And it was just kind of like that up until April when I released my dropshipping video. And when that started getting views, that's when things really took like a crazy turn. I went from doing $3, $4 a day. I started doing 24. I started doing 26 again, and then 50. And then I had my first $100 day, made $112 on May 4th. And then about a week later, I had my first $222 day. So I went from making $5 in the beginning of April to mid-May, I was making $200. And that was pretty consistent. I was making anywhere from $120 to $234 here for about a month at least. I mean, you see how consistent it is right here. And that brings us to today, which that video has been kind of dying out, but I'm still making about $120, $130 a day. So in May, I made $4,216. In June, I made $5,432. So if you look at the lifetime of the channel, up until now, I've made $11,494.30 just off of YouTube videos.
That's nuts. Especially that's crazy. Okay.
So when you zoom out, a majority of my income has come from two videos, my detail video and the dropshipping video. And out of the $11,000 that this channel has made, 9.5 of it has come just from the dropshipping video, which is insane. That video took me about 2 weeks to make, and it's made me more money than probably 3 to 4 months of working at some of the jobs that I've had in the past. Now you might be wondering, why has that video made so much more money than the detail video when it has half as many views? And this is because of the system that YouTube uses to calculate how much a video is going to be paid out, called CPM. CPM stands for cost per mile, which basically means how much YouTube is making in ads off of 1,000 views on that video. So there's a lot of factors that affect your CPM, like where you live, where your audience is from, how long your videos are, but most importantly, what kind of content you're making. So the average CPM on YouTube is anywhere from like $1 to $5. That's usually for like lifestyle videos, for vlogs, for comedy sketches, those types of videos that have a really broad audience. When you start to see CPMs that are way higher, like in that $10 to $20 range, those are usually videos that advertisers are willing to pay more money for because the audience is more likely to spend money on that ad. For example, like personal finance, crypto, and marketing. These are the kinds of videos that you're being bombarded with guys who are selling their courses. And the reason for that is because it's super profitable profitable, and YouTube can charge those advertisers a lot more for showing those ads. So just know that when you start seeing Grant Cardone pop up in your ads, you know that channel is making some pretty decent money.
Save your money. Prepare for a rainy day. It fucking don't rain here.
So I guess my dropshipping video fell into that personal finance category on YouTube, which is by far the most profitable niche on YouTube. So if you're interested in making like personal finance, crypto videos, you're probably going to see financial success a lot quicker than someone who's making like prank videos, for example. So if you look at my CPM on my detail video, right now it's at $2.09, which is probably about the average on YouTube. I'm actually surprised that it's this low because I'm talking about how to start a business and how to make money in this video, but I guess that this video kind of fell into more of a car niche, so it didn't get paid that much based on the views. With 500,000 views, I made $1,149 on this video, which is still pretty dope. But where things get really crazy is on the dropshipping video. The CPM on this video is $42.80. That means for every 1,000 views, I'm getting $42. So I'm making more money on this video with 1,000 views than I do with 20,000 views on my detail video. Now, I don't want this to just be a video that I'm flexing on you with how much money I'm making. I actually find it kind of weird to be showing all this stuff. But the main reason that I'm making this is because I think that this is achievable for anyone. As you saw, it only took one video for me to start making money on this channel and one video to completely blow my income out of the water. And I think you can do it too, and probably faster than I did. Now, if you have a small channel and you're watching this, you're probably thinking, okay, but how do I get paid for views if I don't get any views? There's a whole science behind getting videos to blow up on YouTube, and I'm definitely not an expert. I've only had a few videos that have gone decently big on this channel, but I have learned a few things in the past year about how to get people to watch your videos, which I'm going to share with you. Okay, so if you're a YouTuber and you're serious about growing your channel, there are two things that you need to know that are really important, and that is CTR, click-through rate, and audience retention. Click-through rate is the percentage of people that are clicking on your videos. So this is directly correlated to a good thumbnail and a good title. Without a good CTR, YouTube isn't going to suggest your videos on the algorithm, and chances are it's probably not going to blow up. Now that's kind of the easy part, is the title and thumbnail. The hardest part is audience retention. How are you getting people to stay watching the video? Mr. Beast talks about this a lot. He takes audience retention to a whole nother level. If you watch his videos, they're very quick. There's a lot of cuts. He's straight to the point, and he's always changing things up to keep the audience engaged. Now, this is kind of hard to do, especially if you do videos like this where I'm just talking to the camera, but there are some things that I've picked up along the way that can help to keep people watching your videos without getting bored. The most important part of any video that you make is the first 30 seconds. That's where the audience decides whether they're going to watch the rest of the video or not. So little things that you can do to keep people watching is you can do something like a hook in the beginning of the video where there's an unanswered question. I kind of did it with this video. I started the video by saying I've made a good amount of money on YouTube, and you have to stick around to figure out how much I've made. Other things you can do is like change location if you've been talking to the camera in the same spot for a while. Add some B-roll or some funny edits that can add to a subject that you're talking about. Little things like this can play a big role in how many people stick around to the end of your video. And the most important part is just make good videos that people are already searching for. I think one of the best ways to grow a new channel is to find channels that have a similar niche to you and look at some of their most popular videos, watch them, and find a way to make a better version of that video. Like my dropshipping video, for example, right? I noticed that a lot of guys were making dropshipping videos. They were showing how much money they make, building their store, whatever, but they all kind of had the same format. They were just sitting in their bedroom. They were speaking in a monotone voice. It was one cut, and the videos were just pretty boring. So I took my own approach to it. I tried to make those videos, but better. I did some silly edits. I had a hook in the beginning of the video where I said I only have 2 weeks to make money. I changed location in the video a bunch of times. I showed struggles. I showed some victories. And I think that's a big part of why that video did so well. That's something that I learned from trying e-commerce is you don't have to reinvent the wheel. You don't have to come up with a brand new idea. You just have to take something that's already working and make it better. But the most important thing is to just stay consistent, keep making videos, and don't expect to make money. I think it's important to mention that I've been making YouTube videos for over a decade now without a single dollar in return until this year. And even now, I have no expectation of making money. That dropshipping video and my other videos could just completely dry out. I could not make another dollar on this channel, and I'll be like, all right, I guess I had my run. YouTube is not oversaturated. It's not too late to start. This platform is not going anywhere, and if you've always wanted to make YouTube videos, then start now. Before I finish this, man, I gotta give a shout out to some of these people. Dude, I seriously appreciate you guys commenting on these videos, giving your love. It just makes me want to keep making videos, so I love you. Thank you so much. We'll see you in the next one. Peace out.